We don't come into the world, we come out of the world. And we are actually made of dirt. Everybody knows that. Like the earth is made of earth and water, cells and everything. Haven't you stopped to notice? I just thought about this right now. That we are basically like a tree, let's say, on the earth. Why say that, Kel? Because a tree grows out of the earth as we grow out of the earth. Different ways, of course. Every species has every kind of species has their own way of coming from the world into their being. But we come out of the world. And as a tree grows and lives its purpose and does what it has to do, there's also us destroying it, using it to our desires and purposes and other motives. Just as there are other living organisms inside our bodies destroying us and using us at their expense and their fulfilling their purposes, destroying us slowly, as there are others trying to maintain us alive and maintain us well and healthy as much as possible. And just like natural disasters happen here in our visual grounds and sensory dimension, inside of our body happens the same thing. Catastrophic natural disasters happen as well, based on the way these organisms are living inside of us. So how can you dare to say that we are not part of the universe? How can you dare to say that you are not one with the earth, that you are not one with yourself, that you are unimportant, and that you do not matter here on this world? How could you? You selfish, ungrateful little being. Wake up. See yourself for who you are. Wake up. I will not tell you who you are. You must find it yourself. Probably another time I will when I explain that. But right now, just understand. One love. That's all we need. All we need is love. That's the answer.